Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Let's dive into how you can create your perfect weekly self-care routine. Taking care of yourself is essential, and I've got a plan that covers all aspects: physical, emotional, mental, and social. Ready? Let's go! First up, Monday, mindful movement. Start your morning with 20 minutes of light stretching or yoga. During your afternoon break, take a short walk outside. In the evening, unwind with calming music or a guided meditation. This sets a peaceful tone for the week. Tuesday is all about creative expression. Spend 10 minutes journaling your thoughts and goals in the morning. In the afternoon, dive into a creative hobby like drawing or painting for 30 minutes. End your day with a favorite show or an inspiring book. Let your creativity flow. Wednesday, wellness check. Begin with 5 minutes of deep breathing exercises to center yourself. Schedule a check-in with a friend or family member in the afternoon. Cook a healthy meal for dinner and enjoy it mindfully. A day to nourish body and soul. Thursday is your digital detox day. Start without checking your phone for the first hour. Take frequent breaks from screens throughout the day. Unplug an hour before bed and try a relaxing activity like reading or taking a bath. Give your mind a break from the digital hustle. Friday, fun and relaxation. Plan a fun weekend activity in the morning. If you need a boost, take a 15-minute power nap in the afternoon. Wrap up the day with a comedy movie or any lighthearted activity. It's time to unwind and enjoy. Saturday, social connection. Attend a fitness class or group activity in the morning. Catch up with friends or family either in person or virtually in the afternoon. Enjoy a social outing or hobby you love in the evening. Connecting with others boosts our well-being. Sunday is for self-reflection. Reflect on your week and set intentions for the upcoming one in the morning. Spend the afternoon in nature or a peaceful place. Prepare for the week ahead by organizing your space and thoughts in the evening. Ground yourself and get ready to tackle the new week. Remember, self-care is about listening to your needs and making adjustments as necessary. Enjoy taking care of yourself. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to my channel for more insights and share your self-care tips in the comments below. Start today and prioritize the wonderful person that is you. See you next time.